Hello, Earthlings. Today I'm going to present you something that will absolutely shock you about what you know about the new Earth that we live in. So, what I've found here, I've just come up with a theory that the Earth isn't flat like people are saying. Well, it is flat, but it isn't round. It's actually square. Now, there are plenty of there are plenty of ways that I could explain this and to prove this theory. I mean, I just pulled up this picture online, and I feel like it's very convincing. And this is probably how flat the Earth is. You know, it's got some thickness to it. As you can see, I believe that there's actually a giant sewage pipe in which the magma from the Earth kind of just leaks out into space. That's what they don't want to. The government, they don't want you to find out about that. There's a giant natural sewer pipe in the core of the Earth. It's connected to the core. You could crawl. If you went into space, you could crawl in through it. You could see it right there. If you went around the other side, though, you got to go around the other side, and you could just crawl straight into it, and you could get into the Earth's core, and you'll see that the core is actually a cube. So we actually found out that this is the old Earth. The new one is still flat. It's kind of round now. Obviously, we switched in 2012 when the world ended. You guys don't know about that, but our consciousness were brung over, and the Earth used to be in a different part of the Milky Way, but now obviously we're somewhere else. It was a really enlightening experience for us because we actually experienced it firsthand. We really saw the world ending, and it looked a lot like that with all the spaceships around. Yup. They shot some lasers down, it blew everything up, and then we were transported over. I've got some proof here. I've got a couple of calendars. One is from one date. It's from 2012. The other's from 2013, but they're the exact same calendar with some minor differences. Sorry, I just have to adjust the camera a little bit. It's out of focus. But they're from different years, but I guess they repeated due to the switching over. So if you look here, here's the 2016 one. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Okay, so that's the 2012. That's 20. Other one came first. So as you can see, it shows a monkey with a cake, right? So count the candles. So there's a lot. Okay, there's a lot of candles there. And here's the other one. Here's one from 2013. Oh, hang on a second.
Yup.
Okay, so 2013. See?
Yup.
See it? Count the candles. There's a lot I can see. There's a lot.
Yeah. And the funny part about this one is, even though they look the exact same, the other calendar from 2012 has one less candle.
Yeah.
Which I find very interesting.
Well, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's actually a candle missing right here. See, it's gone.
Yeah, see, there's no candle there. There's supposed to be a green candle at the end, but there is one in the 2013 one.
We find this really
indicating the new year that's happening.
We find this to be really convincing evidence that the world did change over in those 2 years.
Yup.
So,
I mean, that's the calendar is proof there. I mean,
yeah, 2 different dates, but they're the same exact calendar, just slightly different because we switched, but there's slight differences.
And notice how the font color is different in the 2012 one, and and even like that one in January.
And obviously, switching places switched where our moon was, so we have different moon cycles.
Yeah, now we have different moon cycles. Actually, funny enough, this one doesn't have moon cycles, but this calendar does, indicating that in 2013 we have a new moon. And a new moon is.
It actually. If you didn't know already, the sun actually revolves around the Earth and the moon. The Earth is just stuck in place. It's on its own special plane in the universe.
Yeah, this is the square Earth. And I don't know if you could see here. This is pretty convincing. As you could see, that was the old Earth leaving. That's the old Earth that we were just in. It's leaving this plane of existence.
What our consciousness we're riding on.
Yeah, that was the old Earth that we were riding on, and this is the new Earth, the one with the sewer pipe, right there.
Amazing. I've also got more evidence here, so you can see I have this box from the old. Don't mind that it's squished. I had to squish a spider, but don't mind that. But you can see that there's some ingredients here. There's whole grain rolled oats. There's sugar, natural flavors, salt,
Very suspicious.
guar gum, and caramel color. Now the difference here, is caramel color. It's spelled wrong. On the old Earth, it used to be spelled without that second A. It used to be just caramel color, but now on the new Earth, for some reason that A was added, so it's caramel color.
Very, very strange.
Yeah, so I just thought that was weird. I don't even know what I'm eating anymore. Is it caramel or is it caramel? It could be something completely different. We don't even know.
Yeah.
That's just very intriguing.
Yeah. But anyways, that was just
That's just our proof.
That's just our proof that the Earth is square and this is the new Earth.
And the Mandela effect was really just our transferring over.
Yep. That's our proof. If you want more proof of what we had, you could check out my blog. 9/11 was an inside job. And yeah, you can follow us on that. It's on Tumblr, so you know it's pretty accurate. All right.
If you disagree with us, you can just go fuck yourself. Thanks.
Yeah, if you disagree with us, feel free to leave a dislike. We don't really care. We just we're trying to enlighten you to the truth. But anyways, that's really what we wanted to talk about. So all right, see you guys.